Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to use TikTok without TikTok application on your phone. So here I use iPhone XR. So if you don't have any TikTok application on your phone, you don't need to worry because you still can, or you still able to use TikTok by do this. So first thing you have to do is open the browser. You can use Safari or Google Chrome. Okay, so today let's open the Safari, and after that you just need to add a new page. Okay, click new, and after that you just need to type TikTok. Okay, just click it, and after that you are in a TikTok information. Okay, and after that you just need to click the first information that appear on your screen. Just click on make your test TikTok. Okay, and then hold on, and now you are already generated into TikTok page. You can now do a scrolling and find out what video playing, every video that appear. That's all the way how you use TikTok without TikTok application. So if you find out this video quite useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.